When it was said that it was a 4-day class, I really doubted how much we would be able to cover. But I would say that this was so beneficial.
The classes were so energetic.
So I think I got most benefited out of it.
ഈ 4 ദിവസം കൊണ്ട് മാക്സിമം കവർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ടോപ്പിക്സ് എല്ലാം ഇൻഡേഴ്സുകളെല്ലാം സാറ് പഠിപ്പിച്ചു തീർത്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതും അത്യാവശ്യം വെയിറ്റേജ് ഉള്ളതാണ് എക്സാമിനേഷന്. അപ്പോൾ അത് ഭയങ്കര ബെനിഫിഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ട് തോന്നി.
Apart from like online classes, this offline class was, I think, even more beneficial.
I thought he will only do the questions, but he's really doing more and more concept in that. So it was really beneficial.
When I saw that advertisement that he's coming to Russia, and I was really happy, but I didn't know which all topics he will cover. So because in the regular batch also I'm there, and I have almost completed 60%, but the rest only I need. So luckily for me, he was teaching only the rest of the topics here.
And the best thing about sir's class was that all the questions we did were exam oriented. Even the examples were from exam point of view. That was very beneficial for us.